Hey guys, so this is a continuation of the Unit 4 point 2 notes, where you're going to see some of these types of problems in Alex, and I wanted to make sure I showed you how to figure out the discount and the sale price, okay? So when you are shopping around, you often see things that are 15% off, 30% off, right? And usually, I feel like most people end up waiting until they get to the cash register to determine how much it is that they got off, okay? But there is a way that you can solve it, um, figure out the sale price of something either in your head or using your calculator on your phone, okay, before you even get to the register. And this is how you would do it. So your first step in solving these problems is going to be to um, take your original price and multiply it by your percent as a decimal, okay? So percent as a decimal, for example, you have 50% is zero point 0.5 as a decimal. So what I really did was I moved the decimal point back 2 notches, and that's how I get the decimal version of my percent, okay? So that's your first step. Once you get that number, whatever it may be, okay, then what you are going to do is you're going to take that number off your original price. Okay? Because that is how much is to be taken off the original price, okay? So once you get that number, taking the original price of your product and timesing it by the percent as a decimal, you're going to take that number off of your original, and then you will get your sale price, okay? So let's look at an example. I filled that in for the first example as how to do it. Okay, so this is how you do it or how you solve the problems. Now let's try it out in the next couple problems. So in number 2, it says you bought a 3-pound bag of apples for $3.75. All apples were on sale for 20% off. What was the sale price? Okay, so remember, first step, you're going to take your original price, which was the $3.75, and you're going to multiply that by the percent written as a decimal. So remember, 20% as a decimal would be 0.2. So you're going to multiply that by 0.2, and then you get an answer of 3.75 on the calculator times 0.2 is 0.75 or 75 cents. So the next step is to take that 75 cents and take it off of the original price, which was $3.75. So in the second step, I'm going to say $3.75 minus the 75 cents is equal to $3. So the sale price of the apples, of the 3-pound bag of apples, is now $3. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's look at example number 3. In example number 3, it says, your parents love coffee. They purchased a bag of coffee online for $10.99. Since they purchased it, they received 18% off. What was the sale price? Okay, so again, we take the original price, which is $10.99, and we're going to multiply that by the percent as a decimal, which the percent is 18%. So if I move the decimal point over 2 to the left, then I'm left with 0.18. So I'm going to multiply this by 0.18, and you're going to get an answer of 10.99 times 0.18 is equal to about 1.98. Okay. Then remember, we're going to take our original price for our second step, $10.99, and we're going to subtract 1.98 from that. So $10.99 minus 1.98 is equal to the sale price of the coffee was $9.01. Okay, let's try another one just so that you guys can see what's going on. In number 4, it says, during the summer, you had an ice cream cone with your friends almost every day. Your parents bought a half a gallon of ice ice cream for $4.75. There's your original price, $4.75. It was on sale for 15% off. There's the percent. Written as a decimal, 15% is 0.15. What was the sale price? So here we're going to take our 4.75 original price and we're going to multiply it by 0.15. So if we do that on the calculator, we've got 4.75 times 0.15 is equal to 0.712. Let's call it, it says 7125. So we'll just put that whole thing in, but you could round it up to the nearest cent. Okay. Then I'm going to take my original price, 4.75, and I'm going to subtract out 0.7125. And you will get an answer of 4.75 minus 0.7125 is equal to $4.04. So your final answer here would be $4.04 that you spent as your sale price on the ice cream. And then our last example here in number 5, it says strawberries cost $3.99 for a pound at your local grocery store. So $3.99 is the original price, okay? And you had a produce coupon for 15% off. So 15% off is written as a decimal 0.15 or 0.15. So remember, take the original price, $3.99, multiply it by the percent as a decimal, so 0.15. $3.99 times 0.15 is equal to 0.60, so 60 cents off, okay? So I'm going to take the $3.99 of my original price of the item, and now I'm going to subtract out the 60 cents. So $3.99 minus the 60 cents is equal to the new price of the strawberries is $3.39. That is the sale price of the strawberries. Okay, so take your time with these ones as well. I gave you plenty of examples. Make sure you go back and check the examples and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.